In addition to your transactional email for certificates and event registrations and invoices and member welcome packets, you can also do full-blown email marketing campaigns in ClearVantage. And so I'm going to quickly go through setting up a campaign, selecting an audience, and then sending out the email and tracking the click-throughs, opens, forwards, etc. And so the first thing I do is I set up an email marketing campaign. So I have here a list of campaigns. I have my 2015 membership campaigns. And you'll see here that I've set up a particular campaign called Breaking News and Event Invite. And it's starting today and it's going through the next couple of days. So the first step in doing an email marketing campaign is specifying information about the campaign itself so we can understand who the audience was, when it was sent out, etc. Okay, so I have my email campaign set up. The next step is to create an audience. And so the best way to create an audience is to go into and look for a target audience. And so I'm going to select Query Individuals and pull up my query screen here. And you'll see here that I've selected members of type full that are in chapters Baltimore County and Baltimore City. And because I have auto count on, this is telling me 978 people. So this is my audience in this case for this email that's going out and will be tracked. You can see ClearVantage quickly pulls up those 978 people, and I can select Activity, Send Email Blast. However, I actually don't want to send out emails to members, and so I'm going to just pull up my individual record and send this just to me. Okay, so now I have one record. By the way, a nice feature I did not show you is the card view, where you basically get a business card view of your members. But here, again, I have my list of targets for my email. And I'm going to go ahead and select Activity, Send Email Blast. You'll see that this brings up the Email Blast wizard and shows you a preview of the recipients. In this case, it's just me. I can, from here, in addition to selecting myself, I can select any predefined list, active members. Any predefined list is available here for sending email, as well as if you have electronic newsletters. This will give you a list of your electronic newsletters. If I select Fulfill Electronic Subscription, this will give me, right now we have your MMJ journal, and this would show me all of the folks that have an active MMJ subscription. However, in this case, I'm just sending it to my current list for this marketing campaign. I select my from, in this case, MedKai Services. I did put my own email address in there just to make sure that it will be delivered. This will be your actual email address. My subject is event invite. Let's say MedKai announcements and event invite. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to send out an HTML email. We do have the option of selecting a text template and an HTML template, and then based upon the member's preferences, it will send them either a text or an HTML, but we're just going to send an HTML template. You'll see here I have some example layouts, 10 different templates available. I'm just going to choose this first one, layout 1. And if I look here, I can preview that template that basically says, MedKai. Of course, you would add your own pictures, but this is just giving you an example of the various layouts that are available. Basically, any possibility is available. But we're just going ahead and looking at this template here to give you an example of how things can be laid out. This, of course, is not your content. You would actually fill in this template to put your own announcements, etc. You'll see here that I do have a event invite to the President's Banquet 2015. I'm going to go ahead and select my breaking news and event invite, and I want to preview this. So let me take a look at this preview, and this will show me the email that will go out to the recipient, in this case me. So It says, "Hi Charles, this professional newsletter is for you." You'll see it's been customized here. Again, all the content inside the email can be customized with any field from the member's profile. And it looks great. Of course, you would have your own content in here. And I can go ahead and send this. Now, if I want to edit this, generally you have your templates. You would have maybe 5 or 10 different templates, a quick alert, a newsletter, a health alert, something along those lines, a lobbying letter. Usually it's about 5 templates that you use. But then you can actually just pull those templates up and edit them. I'm just going to add some text here. You will enjoy networking with others. Okay, I'm going to save this. Come back here. My preview has been updated. So now I have a new letter. I want to preview it one more time. And now, if you have multiple recipients, so for example, if I was to pull up Carroll County members, you'll see now that I have 98 recipients. If you have multiple recipients, when you do the preview, it shows you the first 5. So if I hit preview here, hi Samuel. This one is going out to Christian Alba. Hi Christian, etc. So it gives you a nice preview of exactly what your email recipients, whether it be members or prospects, will receive. Okay, this looks great. I'm going to switch it back to just me, the current individual list that I have. Make sure it's just me. And now I can hit send now, or I can hit schedule. So if I hit schedule, it'll give me an option to say, for example, I want to send this to go out at 10 a.m. this morning. Well, let's make it 10:30. Now it will go out. Oftentimes you'll set these up to go out either first thing in the morning. Some of the major email platforms send these things out in the middle of the night. We don't recommend that. We recommend sending them around usually like 9 in the morning, so it gets in there after they've checked all their other email, or when they get back from lunch. Those are what we find are 2 times that people tend to read the emails that they get, and they don't get lost in the overnight email that so many platforms send out. In this case, I'm not going to schedule the email. I'm actually going to send it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send now, and it will prompt me to say, hey, you are about to send an email blast. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to say yes. It tells me that 1 emails have been successfully submitted and are being delivered.